Hi, 7th grade scholars. This is Ms. Tillman coming with your daily practice for Thursday, October the 1st, and Friday, October the 2nd. Make sure that you do your daily attendance. Make sure that you click on my picture to get instruction. And make sure that you are watching all your videos that give you directions for your assignments. Make sure also that you are clicking on the mascot for your team so that you'll know how your assignment has been modified. Our standard for today is L 7.4. Determine and or clarify the meaning of unknown and multiple meaning words and phrases based on grade 7 reading and content, choosing flexibly from a range of strategies, among them being context clues, word parts, which are prefixes in our case, word relationships, and reference materials. Your learning target. I can use common prefixes, word parts, to determine the meaning of words. Today, for Teach and Learn, remember to check your email to see what you scored on your pre and post pretest. Okay? If you made a 60 or lower, you will complete pre and post activities on Quizlet. Check the team video to see how many activities you are to complete based on your pre and post pretest score. If you made 70 or higher on the pre and post pretest, you will complete Vocabulary Workshop Level C Unit 2 activities on Quizlet. Check the team video to see how many activities you are to complete based on your score on your pretest. You do not have to post anything to campus. This is due on Monday, October the 4th. If you have any questions, please email me, remind me, or Google Voice me. Have a great day. Bye, Cougars.